Meaning of invert.
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 Invert. The term invert can have different meanings depending on the context. In mathematics, invert usually refers to finding the reciprocal or inverse of a number or function. For example, the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2, and the inverse function of f, x, is denoted by f caret, minus 1, x. In physics, inverted can describe a situation where something is turned upside down or flipped over. For example, an inverted image of an object can be seen when it is reflected in a mirror. In computer science, invert can refer to flipping the bits in a binary number or inverting the colors of an image. In general, invert means to reverse or turn something opposite to its original state.